Hi, my name is Jemar Balane ng Porhub and discuss the coterminal angles.
5. Coterminal angles. Angles whose terminal side concave when they are standard position. Find the positive angle less than 360, that is coterminal angles. And this given 420. In our rules, we must find the positive and less than 360, that is coterminal angles. 420 minus 360 equal 60. Negative 150 plus 360 equal 40. Sketch the following angles and give the two coterminal angles, positive and negative. And this given 190, 0, 90, 180, and using a protractor. This is a 190. Dahil ito ay 180, kailangan ko magdagdag ng 10. And this. Sorry, I'm wrong. This is, burahin mo lang. This. Ito 180, dahil may sobra siyang 10, is negative. Sorry. Mali pala. Positive 10 pala ang sobra. Sa lahat, yung 360 nabawasan ng 10, bali magiging 350 na lang siya. Dito naman, ganun din. Negative lang to. Ulitin ko, gumamit ulit tayo ng protractor at ruler. Lagyan muna natin siya dito. Because, given is negative 190 is first, because it's negative, we start to 0, negative 90, and negative 180. Because 190, just a protractor. Because negative at 10, nalagay na sa negative 10. And 350 is positive.